So that little trick is very easy to set up, and today I will teach you how to do it, and I'm going to teach you another 4 tricks for your Samsung phone, and it applies to most of the Samsung phone that out there right now. So let's get the video started.
The rhythm where the DJ rules the sound. That is where I'm going. This is the sound of the underground.
So if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do so because I give you good contents like this every single week. So stay tuned for my new videos. So let's get started. So the first trick is, do you know you can actually share Spotify or YouTube videos of your Samsung keyboard without going into the app and press share? This is how you do it. You just press the 3 dot and then that's it. You can go to the YouTube session. You can share anything you want. I mean anything. You can even search video. So I'm gonna search Leafs, Toronto Maple Leafs. And recently they play against the Canucks finally. And yeah, see that? You can actually share that video without even going into YouTube apps. That's pretty cool. So the second trick is actually for all the Android device. So remember we have widget and you have to go to the widget section to get widgets. So now after the update, there is a shortcut for getting widgets. So let's just say if you have an app that has widget, you just need to long press the app and there is a shortcut called widget on the option. And all you have to do is add and it will show up on your home screen. Just like that. See that? You don't have to go into widget session and search your WPS, whatever, right? Everything will be there. I'll show you the second example. Widget. You press widget and then they will ask you, do you want to edit? You just need to press add. It will show up on your home screen. That's it. Very simple, right? So the next trick I would like to show you is called live caption. This works on online or even offline. So if you're not on internet, it works as well. And it works even though there's no sound. Okay, so if the sound is completely shut off, it's still going to work. How does this work? It's simple. So all you have to do is press the volume button, expand it, and there's like that little button right there. And that is live caption. And that live caption will capture anything you're playing. Doesn't matter if it's a video or YouTube videos, it will pick up. Doesn't matter if there's no sound or sound, it will pick up. Doesn't matter if you're online or offline, it will pick up as well. That's very simple, right? So turn it on, it's pretty cool. So fourth trick is, it's very cool. Basically, usually you will use one finger on the toggle bar, you pull it down. And that's all the button, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and things like that. If you use 2 fingers, have you tried that? It's actually gonna pull out all the toggles. See that? Up there. They're gonna pull everything. I mean everything. So one finger, only few toggle up there. But if you use 2 fingers, it will pull out everything. Everything. So the final trick I would like to show you is, how do I do that? That little split screen. Now I'm going to show you right now. It's very simple. First, you have to download this thing called Good Lock. As you know, Samsung have their own Good Lock. And now you have to go to One Hand Operation Plus. Once you download this from Samsung Galaxy app, now you can actually set it up. Once you open the app, go to the left handle, doesn't matter left or right. And you see that? Straight right. So you can actually do anything you want, but I do a split screen because it's easier for me to do a split screen by just sliding right. And then you just press OK, and then that's it. That's your gesture. So every time when you slide to the right side, then it will pull out that split screen view. Simple, easy. These are my top 5 tricks for your Android or Samsung device. Make sure to subscribe my channel, share this video, and I will have a new content very soon. So have a nice day and stay safe. Bye bye. Peace out.